Шахтаға кірдік. Бұл жерде енді зомби болатынына кәміл сенімдіміз. Иә, өте қорқынышты екен шахтаның.
Ruben, is that you?
Міне дауыс шығады. Кәдімгі қорқынышты фильм секілді. Қарайық, мына жағында не бар екен?
Ruben, there you are. Hey, buddy, you want a carrot? Oh, I'm so happy to see you. Ruben, run!
Gosh.
I think we're good. I think we made it. Ow!
Bizga qarshilik berib.
Get back! Stay behind me. I got you.
Алдағы ойындарға қарағанда өте әсерлі. Қараңыздар, өте керемет. Қандай соққылар.
Stupid wooden swords. I know it's bad. I'll think of something. You're gonna have to make a run for it, okay? I'll meet you back in town, I promise. Get out of here now! Get off me!
Come on, let's get out of the open.
Көмек келді. Біздің Рубеніміз қашып кетті. Текке жіберіп мұны өзіне.
I want to show you something.
Not that this isn't a really cool, dimly lit tunnel, but how far away is this thing you want to show me?
Careful, Jesse. You don't want to get a reputation as a wimp.
This isn't my first time in a cave, Petra.
Yeah, but have you ever seen a wither skull?
Whoa!
Fresh from the nether. You're the first person I've showed it to.
So, you'd better appreciate this.
You risked your life for that dusty old skull?
Oh, I risked my life for the thing I'm gonna exchange for that dusty old skull.
There's this guy I'm meeting up with at EnderCon. He's gonna trade me a diamond for it.
Being the resident go-getter pays off every once in a while. Literally.
Why didn't he just go get the skull himself?
He's not the kind of guy who has time to do something like that.
What kind of guy is he then?
The kind who understands the value of hard work.
Wow.
Wow, what?
In a single day, you went to the nether, you killed a wither skeleton.
Негізі бұл ойын енді шықты. Біз жаңа басып алдық. Сосын сіздерге көрсету үшін ешнәрсе үлгерген жоқ. Сіздерге жіберіңіздер. Тек қана тамашалап, біздер өте қызықты тамашалап отырмыз.
But I wouldn't mind a little backup.
I'd be honored to be your backup.
You don't have to make such a big deal out of it. I just said
Come with me. I know. I was there. It was amazing.
kind of starting to have second thoughts here.
You just keep a crafting table down here?
Comes in handy. Since that wooden sword of yours got busted,
You're giving me a new one?
even better, you can make your own. 1 stick plus 2 stones equals 1 sword. Just grab what you need.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Hey, is all this stuff yours?
No, we're just stealing from whoever was dumb enough to leave this here.
Кішкентай.
Just making sure.
Кішкентай сандықтың
Oh,
ішінде
here we
көп нәрсе
go.
тауып отыр.
Jackpot.
Бұл біздің
Just
пешіміз.
place the pieces on the table.
Верстак бұл біздің құрастыратын орындығымыз дейміз, столымыз дейміз.
Come on, Jesse. We don't have all night.
Yeah?
Не, кәдімгі Майнкрафт ойындағыдай. Біз осылай құрастырамыз.
It's like this is your...
Өте қызық.
See? Isn't it better when you make it yourself?
Міне шахтадан шықты. Әйтеуір.
Check it out. Endercon's all lit up.
I can't believe it. We won.
Өте
Axel was right. Everyone loves a creeper.
Good for you, Jesse.
Айтарға сөзіміз жоқ.
About time we beat Lucas and his gang of jerks. What kind of stupid name is the Ocelots anyway?
You know, Lucas may be kind of arrogant, but he has come through for me in tricky situations. You might want to get to know him, just in case. He's good at building, that's for sure. It's always useful to have a guy like that around, no matter what you might think of him personally.
Yeah, you might be right.
I'm just saying, if you run into him at EnderCon, try talking to him.
I don't need a lecture on the power of collaboration, Petra.
How about a lecture on the power of my fists? It's short,
Петрамыз.
but deadly.
Come on, let's hurry.
Remember what EnderCon was like before it was cool?
Remember what we were like before we were cool?
Some of us will never be cool.
Ha ha. Creepers! Crap. Ah!
Бірақ таңдап отырмын.
This doesn't look good. Well, there's only one way off this bridge.
Жағдай өте нашар.
Суға секіруге тура келетін секілді.
Whatever we do it together.
Секірейік.
All right, let's jump.
Басқа амалымыз жоқ. Міне. Міне ойынның басталуы деп айтсақ та болады. Өте керемет графикасы.
Енді видеомызды осы жерден аяқтаймыз.
Бізбен бірге болыңыздар. Ары қарай жалғасы болады. Сондықтан
Каналға қосылыңыздар.
лайк басыңыздар, тіркеліңіздер, достарыңызға айтыңыздар.
Келесі кездескенше
Саламатта болыңыздар.